Using an effective solution to drive more traffic and increase sales for online stores has become a vital aspect of e-commerce, with over 500,000 merchants worldwide already benefiting from it. This solution, known as Traffic Booster, is an automated advertising tool that helps create and manage campaigns across various platforms, including Google, Facebook, and Instagram, designed to enhance store visibility and attract the right audience. Traffic Booster offers key benefits such as AI-powered targeting, automatic optimization, and easy integration with platforms like Spotify, WooCommerce, Magento, BigCommerce, and more. To set up Traffic Booster, users simply need to sign up, provide essential business details like store URL, target audience, and location, and select a suitable plan, all of which include the ad budget, with no additional fees to Google or Meta. Once the campaign is launched, Traffic Booster automatically optimizes ads around the clock, eliminating the need for manual adjustments. Users can track key metrics like impressions, clicks, conversions, and revenue through the dashboard. To optimize campaigns for better results, users can adjust campaign settings by selecting Edit Settings in the Traffic Booster dashboard. For optimal performance, it is recommended to allow the AI to scan the entire product catalog, as having more products available enables the AI to perform better. By following these steps and tips, online store owners can improve their sales and revenue, with a promotional offer of a 33% discount on all plans for the first month. It's an ideal time to take advantage of this solution and enhance online store performance.